Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems, but God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come for my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go. Hopping on stage, I ain't in it for the show. Only got one life, so I gotta let them know. Talk about real. I seen a man's whole bad hill. I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the cast it out. I seen my brother throw his whole vape in the lake. Seen smooth heal from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start. Christopher. K to the second letter. Who got the keys to the Jeep and the Hiller? They ain't never been realer. I am not shook, I'm aligned in chiller. My face blue steel, I ain't never been stiller. Ooh, KB ain't gotta get bigger. Ooh, Southside sing killers, bring light to the dark spots. Wake up, I didn't make up, just God the divine concealer. On the bread of heavens, like the red and black 11s, walking through the pearly gates.
What it do?
Me do the most, I'm in the Holy Ghost. I'm looking like the Pope, swerving raves. They gon' get the word today. I send a text back, never curved the fate. Jesus, curses break, slaves get freed and the words awake.
What's good, everyone? What's good? What's good? Welcome in, welcome in. W's in the chat. Let's go.
Tell them the dead see here. We the new Israel, Israel. God really lives here. Watch the sin here. Way more than 10. We begin here. We begin.
How y'all feeling today? Welcome in, welcome in. We're gonna get started here in just a moment. Enjoy verse 3, and then we'll rock and roll. Good to see you guys, man. Let's go, let's go.
I put my hand on the Bible, the Lord is my witness. That KB is closer than blood. I got that HGA tatted right next to my heart, so you know it's gonna always be love. Don't need no contracts or labels. You know we got him a seat at my table. Hovey little bro, so I'm willing and able. I keep some riders at home in the stable. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I done told it all, but I still got more. Remember when the folks got killed next door? Partner told me sell pills, not blow. Shorty told me my career won't blow. Swear I don't care about the status. Why would I clout chase when God is my daddy? Take all my records, my money, my Grammys. I'm still gonna die richer than you can imagine. Jesus the King, I'm his prophet. Send me to Nineveh, I get it.
Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in.
I say come see what
Hope
I do in my city. From cooling with Kendrick to walking through Romans with people in prison. Let me stop talking, cause man, I've been did it. Can't let my left hand on my right position. Y'all just gonna have to see when I transition. I can't tell it all, man. Let's go.
All right, y'all. Good to see you guys. Welcome in, welcome in. Let's get the day started. I like that song. I like that song. Anybody else like that song? It's pretty good. Goes pretty hard, man. 3 verses. I'm back. I'm in all white again today. Looking for some victory. I smell victory. What up, Buzz Blab? Good morning, Buzz Blab. Good morning, Ewan. What's up, Gotta Trade? Good morning, Nikki. Good morning, Energy. What up, Mike Go? What's good, everyone? What up, LeGrand? Good afternoon. Davey P in the house. What's good? What's good? What up, Richard Lewis? Good morning, brother. Jason C in the building. Lewis G in the house. What up, Lewis G? What up, Yanosh? What's up, everybody? How y'all doing today? Throw a W in the chat if you're feeling good. Even if you don't normally type in the chat, throw a W in the chat. Just one. Just one. I'll get in this with you too, mate. There you go. Just one from Time to Eat Trading. We ain't asking for much. We just want to see you. We want you to type a W just so you can get a little fired up here today. Let's get a little fired up. Just touch that W, man. There's some names I don't normally see. All right. What up, Gregski? What up, PM Magnifico? What's good? What's good? Z Gamer in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Mr. Lopez? Good morning, Henry Hustle. Henry Hustle. What up, Henry Hustle? Sunboy Comedy in the house. What's good? What's good? I hope you guys are doing well here today. I think we're all set up and ready to go. Let me just get the Zoom link out. And then it's time, man. It's time. Yeah. All right, Zoom's good. If you guys are not in our Discord, join the Discord ASAP. Join it ASAP. It's all free. Lots of free value in there, and the link should be in the chat here pretty soon. What up, Traders X? What up, Zebs? What up, DT Gamer? What up, Chilbs? No, Chibs. Chibs. There's no L in there. What are you doing, Nick Stewart? Ayush in the house. What up, Ayush? What up, Cookie? Cookie. George Poe in the building. What up, George Poe? What up, Wags? I seen OGH on the comment section. I seen he was busy today. Shout out to the OGH. Good morning, Neo. What up, Raul Traits? Yeah, give me 1 sec, all right, guys? Let's rock and roll here today, ladies and gents. Welcome in, welcome in. What up, Ryan? W, Raul, W, man. First payout looking good. Nice, nice, nice. Good morning, Chala. What's up, bro? Dropout Traders here, as always. What up, Dropout Trader? Anyway, welcome in, gang. Let me lower the music a little bit. Let's get the day started. Today is, what is today? Today's Friday. So big Friday here, last day of the week. It's the 19th of July. It's another day, another opportunity, man, for us to really just come to the desk and observe and do what we do best. You know, we're here to really just watch the markets, to set a couple traps, to come up with a couple ideas. Those ideas become traps, and you know, if price comes into that trap, then we make money. I mean, that's trading in a nutshell. Right, so don't get too eager today. Don't get too aggressive here today. Don't get too excited, right? Let's stay composed. Let's stay calm, and let's wait for the prey, right? Speaking of the prey, let's go ahead and pray and give thanks for the fact that we even have the opportunity to do this here together. So let's pray real quick together, and then we'll rock and roll here. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus, Lord, the name that we are not ashamed to call upon, the name that we know is the name above all names, Lord. We thank you for being here. We thank you for blessing your people here, Lord. We thank you for giving us hope and a future, Father. I pray for your people. I pray that they have a wonderful end of the week, Lord, and I pray that you would turn hearts and minds here today, Lord. Speak through me like my favorite hero of the day, John the Baptist, would say, more of you, less of me, Lord. I call for it today. We thank you for the impact that you're doing here. We thank you for the inspiration that's taking place here, Lord, and the fact that we can sharpen one another, Father. So we give you the glory for it, and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 So now that we have prayed, now we will sit tight and wait on our prey. Right? What up to Don? What's good, Dominic? Good morning. But what a day to be alive. I hope you guys are doing well. It's really good to see all you guys in here, and we're going to get this day started here. So again, today is the 19th here of July. It's another day for us, and let's go ahead and see what we got going on. So let me just move all this. Move my chat. All right, cool. Sweet. All right, so it doesn't look like we have much going on here today. Obviously, gold has been dumping here from last night because we had, you know, the big Republican, you know, gathering yesterday, and Trump spoke, and a lot of Americans spoke yesterday. And man, it feels good to be an American today. Honestly, it feels there's some hope coming back into the country. There's they're praising the name of Jesus on national television over here again, and it's something quite beautiful to see. And there's truly a spiritual battle going on, but good always wins, and we're excited about that. And as you can see the reflection in the markets, people are starting to get a little more confident in the US dollar, and gold's going down here. So we want that to happen, right? We don't want to be in these all-time highs for too long here. We would like to see price come down. So that's good news for us. That's good news for the US dollar, and that's good news for the American people and worldwide, man, worldwide. So big W last night at that convention, and it was good to hear, you know, a lot of that stuff going on. So that's why gold is just driving down at this point. And pretty much you could have closed your eyes yesterday and just started taking sells. So let's go ahead and make sense of what's going on from a technical standpoint, though, and really do a top-down analysis here today and see what we got going on. All right, you guys ready for a breakdown? I would ask that you guys please like the stream right now. Just give a little thumbs up to the stream, and then we're gonna do a breakdown. Yeah. Yeah, SG80, let's go. All right, so let's do a top-down analysis here. Where are my tools? Hold on. All right, here they are. Let's run it. Good to go, good to go. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and talk about price, and let's see where we're at. So taking a look at the weekly time frame here. So let's just track back a little bit and talk about this weekly time frame. So we know here that on the weekly, we've been moving up quite a bit. We rallied for quite some time, and now we are running into some sort of consolidation, right? So you've got a support, you've got a resistance here. We do see a break of the all-time highs, which were obviously these guys were your all-time highs. We did break that high, and you know, just like we do almost every time we break highs, is we start to immediately come down within the week, right? So that's what we're doing now. We're coming down now. One thing I do want you guys to notice from a price action standpoint is that if this is our support and this is our resistance, where did this candle close? Did that candle close above or below? Right, above or below? It closed below it, right? So that candle's still in the range, so we still never actually had any sort of a breakout here. So I could totally see this candle coming back in the range, closing something like this, and that would make total sense on the daily time frame for us to pull back and retest that support level on the daily. So we'll get to the daily in a second, but that's basically what I can see. We've got 9 hours and 44 minutes left on this weekly candle, so a lot can happen. A lot has taken place last night as well, so I'm sure once the US economy opens up and absorbs all that, there's going to be a lot of decisions being made. Price could be very volatile today, very volatile. We could have a lot of volume coming in, so that should be pretty exciting, but it's just another day, right, to observe here. So that's what's going on the weekly. We have not broken out of the range just yet, so we're still ranging from these levels right here. If you finally do get a candle to close above, then we could say, okay, now we have a candle that officially closes above this level of resistance, and now we can be more confident that price would continue moving up, right? Make sense? So let's go ahead and make sense of this whole wick on the daily time frame, and let's see what is going on here. So I think we drew this out yesterday, right? We pretty much drew this entire move out. We know that the daily candle was running up. We had this celery play go down here, then price ran up, then we closed with no top wick, right? So we know that candles, bullish candles with no top wicks, those always lead, not always, but most of the time will lead to the next candle reversing. And that's what you see here, right? This candle came up, looked for some wick to fill, could not find that wick, turned back around, ended up closing bearish. And then yesterday we moved down, and then, today we're moving down very heavy here, right? Very, very heavy here. So we're tapping into support, right? We see that there's a support level right here. We may have some sort of a target tapped concept going on. I really do not want to fight this wild beast today, though. I do expect us to pull back a little bit, but I am going to be on my toes a little bit here today as we take buys, right? If we do take buys here today, we may get very aggressive with doing certain things like break even and partials and all that. But yeah, we are tapping into this daily candle support or daily time frame support here. That doesn't necessarily mean we have to push down, right? I mean, have to push up. We can totally just bypass that support and continue running down here today. So we don't want to mess with the wild beast while it's doing wild beast things. And right now gold is doing wild beast things here. So let's get some confirmation on this. So we can say here, chat, that we have tapped into target on the daily time frame. So let's keep that in the back of our mind, and let's move down to the 4 hour. So 4 hour has an hour and 40 minutes left on it. This is your target here on the 4 hour time frame, which is also the support level on the daily time frame. So you are coming into it. We still may have a little bit more room to go down towards 2400 before we get some sort of a bounce off of these levels to move back up, right? I don't know how much of a pullback we are going to get, but all I know is we need one, right? Because we've been pushing up since 2470, and basically right after the open here yesterday, which one was it? I think it was this one. Yeah, so I started taking sells immediately yesterday, looking for sells because price was just ready to just drive here. So good stuff if you guys took sells. I took sells during Asian session. Some of you guys may have taken during Asian and London, but yeah, sells have worked out lovely here over the past couple hours. So we're looking for a pullback. right? We're looking for a pullback. Now, this is a 4-hour time frame, so we don't have enough time, right, to sit here and wait and blah, 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 right? That's 4, 8, that's 12 hours going by, right? So we need to go down, scale down to the lower time frames and see how we can make sense of any type of positions here today. So looking at the 1-hour chart here, it looks like you have some sort of a support level right here. So we have this support level. We did reject that level at one point as well. It's also a support here, resistance here, somewhat of a resistance, and a support. So that's where we tapped into recently. Below that looks like from 10 to about 70 pip range. So below that's a 70 pip range, looking actually very, very good. But I would expect price to pull back a little bit, right? So I think we can look for fake outs around 24.14 for price to come back down based off of the 30-minute and the 1-hour time frame. So what I mean by that is some sort of a pullback. Not going to take buys here or anything like that. Going to see if we can get some sells, some sort of resistance to form, and then continue these sells down. And if you get a clean closure below that range, now you got 70 pip move coming down, and at that point we could be in our sells from, let's say, 24.14 or somewhere up in that range, right? So that's kind of what I'm gonna wait for here on gold. Buys look pretty good above 24.20, so those look pretty good. As you can see, we kind of pumped up last time from there, and then you've got a clean range running up towards 29.30 ish over here. So that's gonna be what I'm looking at for today. Yeah, so notice how this range is naturally just a bit choppy. I didn't even realize that, but I'm gonna pretty much stay away from most of that in terms of buys here today, and just look for some sort of a fake out back in these zones here. So fake out. If we do end up closing above 24.20 though, then I'll be open to taking my buys at that point. That would be the 4-hour candle flipping, coming back into this range and potentially flipping bullish and doing some sort of a fake out, right? So other than that, I really don't care for buys today, right? So it would look something like this, and then that's how the 4-hour candle would look. But I will keep you updated on my ideas here for buys. But as of right now, I'm going to look for some sort of a resistance form, so like a fake out for buys here, and even a fake out for buys around 17. Fake out for buys, and then solid buys are going to be above 24.20. So if you guys can tell, I'm looking for the pullback to sell, right? I'm just looking for a resistance to form and a sell to come down. And then again, if we do get some sort of if we get various clues, right, to saying, hey, NY open or volumes coming in, we should be able to get a push, and I could logically understand the push up before some of these levels are hit, then I may be interested. But for now, I'm just going to keep it saucy here and wait for sells below 14.10, or look to take my sells at 24.10, 24.14, or 24.17. So looking for sells, man. Looking for sells all in this range right here. Right here. Any sort of fake outs to come back down, right? Fake out, come back down, anything like that. If we do kind of get ourselves up above 40, at that point you'll probably see something like this, right? And then a closure above, and maybe even a retest, and then we can target those levels. So gonna be easy here on the buys today, and just sit tight, wait for a good solid playbook position. Cool. That's it. That's all, folks. 1 hour ideally is the time frame that I want to make some moves on here today. Yeah, 1 hour time frame looks the cleanest, and as of right now, come NY open, I'll be sitting tight on that 1 hour candle. And that is the day. That's the day for now. We'll see what's up in a little while. Maybe things will change, maybe they won't, but as of right now, that's pretty much what we got going on. A lot of purple today. A lot of purple. Cool. That's it, man. That's it. So just in very simple forms, or very simple terms, if we can get Obviously, we've been moving up since resistance. If we can kind of tap into this area, do something around here, and fake out, I'll be looking for sells right in this, somewhere in this zone. If that doesn't happen and we decide to pull up to here before faking out, then I'm going to look for sells somewhere around this zone. And then if we do get actual break, retest, and then kind of close back above here, that's where I'm going to be looking for buys in order to, you know, trade up in this range here. Right, that'll again be the 4-hour candle flipping bullish right here, and then price, you know, moving bullish on the 4 hour. So those are my ideas and plans here for today, and now we just got to wait for things to play out. What up, Morpheus? Good morning, Josh Jess. What's good? What's good? You're welcome, Chola. Does that make sense? Any questions, comments, concerns? Talk to me. Talk to me. Yeah, other than that, look, I mean, can you hear Raja? Can you hear him? Can you hear him? So we just got to wait for a pullback. What up, Storm Potato? What up, Abby? Ecom Dre. Okay. Alexander the Great. How you doing, man? I'm doing fantastic, brother. Really doing very, very good. I mean, excellent. I mean, super blessed, man. Super, super duper blessed. Yeah, quite a few rejections on the 15 already. You guys can pull the trigger on the fade if you want. I'm not gonna join that party here right now, but that's fine. If you guys see something that maybe I don't see. Flying on a plane. Oh, let's go. Trades I took last night in Asian. Yeah, so last night in Asian took 30-minute celery. 30-minute celery right here. I think it was right here. Yep. So 30-minute celery, took this trade. Entered on the break of the lows there. And then I also took... Where was it? I also got... So, same exact spot. So, this one, I was anticipating higher time frames to continue driving. I went down to the 5. It was very high volatile time. The 8 p.m. candle was opening. The 4-hour candle was going to close. I got into a sell right here. So, I was going to... At first, I had sell stops on the break of the low. This candle came up, closed with no top wick. And this is a new entry I'm working on. I'll talk all about this, I promise, in the technical analysis webinar that I'm putting together here next week. Actually, it's coming up. I took sells from right here. From right here, we started driving down, and then yeah, closed partials once this next candle like broke the low. So yeah, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. I'd very, very rarely go down to the 5-minute, but sometimes I do if there's very high volume, which there was last night, and that's why we did that. I think I have pictures of both of them. Yeah, so this was the 5-minute one. This one right here. So entry was, so candle closed and no wick. We popped up as we broke the low, got into this trade, and then waited for it to drive. There was another wick to the left-hand side and waited for it to fill that wick. So that was that one. So you see how the entry, you guys normally don't see me take entries like that. So I've been cooking something up, but it's not ready to be truly publicized yet. And then this was the 30-minute celery. I just, but by mistake, I took the screenshot on the 5-minute, but this was the 30-minute celery that I just showed you on the chart there. Yeah, two good trades. Two trades worked out well. Made my money. Called it a night. Called it a night. Fridays are always hurting my accounts. Ooh. Friday, believe it or not, is typically like my best day. It's crazy. But actually, if we're keeping it 100% like number-wise, Thursday is my best day, and then Friday. Could you check charts for stream? Yeah, got you. Yeah, I think Lewis G, right? I think Lewis took the same trade as me. Or was that, wait, that was a trade after stream yesterday, I think. Man, I forget, to be honest. Damn, let me go back to, let's check out charts for stream, and let's see, I forget which, yeah, that was yesterday. I think I forgot to mark that one up. Yeah, so this was lovely. I was actually on an elite call for this one. Actually, the last 3 elite sessions I've done, we've taken trades and taken winning trades there. So let's go ahead and see. This one I had such a good read on. I'm glad that some of you guys seen this as well, especially Lewis G, because Lewis G's been grinding, man. Like, as you guys see, his name, he's here every day. Like, there's legit this guy has no excuses, right? He's here every day. It doesn't matter if he's at work, if he's at home, if he's sick. He's legit on the charts, on the stream, learning, growing, and you can see it happening, right? You can really tell when people are beginning to catch that momentum and beginning to start to get on fire. And Lewis G is certainly one of those people here at Time to Eat. So let's go see. So target tapped, 4-hour, open with no top wick. That's exactly what I was looking at. Tap support to the left, 30 close respecting. Yup, and there was no top wick on that 30. Entered on the break of its own high. Cool. Full TP up here, trailed stop loss due to a losing streak. All right, that's amazing. Put stop loss on the flip. This candle saw 30 pips in profit and did not close partials due to wanting it to tap near support. Okay, trailed stop loss instead, was on a losing streak. Look for a confidence booster. Let's go. Let's go. That's how you boost confidence. Notice how he's on a losing streak. What did I just tell you guys? How on fire he is, right? This is the game, right? This is the game right here. It doesn't. You're going to go on fire. You're going to have a little losing streak. You're going to boost your confidence back. You're going to go on fire. You're going to have some losses. You're going to lose some confidence. You're going to boost your confidence. You're going to get on fire. You're going to go on a losing streak. Get used to it. Get used to it, man. Not sure what game you guys think you're playing, but there's going to be losses. There's going to be some struggle. There's going to be some frustration, man. Get over it. Get over it, man. If you don't want the frustration of an entrepreneur, just go get a day job, right? It'll be very streamlined for you. You won't have to worry about anything. You just come to work every day, you do your task, and you get a nice little paycheck at the end of the week. Yeah, Trump rocked it. Yup. Do I give VIP signals away? I do not. I do not. Actually, yeah, I do. Right here on the live stream. VIP. Hood morning. Shout out to the hood. Please paid signals link. No. Me no want headache. I saw Nick take the same exact trade. Yeah, man, that was it. Lewis GW. Paid signals equals headache. I'm good. Where was the 50% on top one challenge? You have to put the code in. So make sure you use the email that you registered for the competition with, and then you should be good. I don't think you necessarily have to put that code in. But if you're not getting the 50%, put the code in, and if that's not working, just hit them up and be like, yo, I'm with TTE, I need my 50% now. And they'll hook you up. The comeback is always better after a losing streak. It really is, man. Are there any times in which you will never trade, or do you just react to the volume? Yeah, we had I think during the New York session, I had 3 no trade days this week during like our part of the session. So yeah, I've had many no trade days, many no trade days. Lately, no trade days haven't really been around because it's just been a very awesome market to be trading. But you know, if you go back towards like, let's say April, you'll see some gaps. And look at how many trades we took in February. You know, we didn't really take that many trades in February. Didn't really take that many trades in January. If we go to last July, look at last July. We've already smoked the amount of trades there from last July. And you could just tell we're in such an exciting market. And if we go ahead and count the fades, which is the only new idea that we've implemented, it makes up for a good amount of trades. I think we're at about 50 at this point. So we've got a good read on it. We've got some good data on it. We're going to be talking all about that as well on the technical analysis webinar. So that webinar I'm really excited about. I'm putting this together, putting passion behind it. I really want to show you guys the numbers on the fade and show you guys what I've been working on really behind the scenes and some of the thoughts I've had. And eventually it'll come to the light here on the stream, but I really want to take time to explain things and make sure people got it. And all that's going to go down on the webinar on the 27th, right? Yeah, 27th. Yeah, 27th? Yeah. My birthday's today. Happy birthday, FNAM. W. We need more traders proclaiming the name of Jesus. Well, we're proclaiming it here. We have no shame in the gospel. We have no shame in praying in public and standing on the word and, you know, enjoying the fruit of the good news of the gospel, man. It's such a beautiful thing, and I think you are right, brother. I think we need more and more and more traders speaking out and sharing their faith. The fade. I mean, you guys are fading right now, but it ain't fading. What's up, Xander? How you doing? Yeah, man. Yeah, purpose. That I'm glad you caught that because that's all that. So now you know that, right? So there was a story I posted. It was on, I believe, Sunday, and it was the day after the assassination attempt happened. And I mentioned that the markets are going to be pretty interesting this week, and for those who are prepared, they will reap the rewards, right? So some of you guys are prepared, some of you guys aren't. But what you can do is if you're not prepared this time around, like I personally wasn't prepared in 2020, so I didn't make the big bag when it comes to trading, but I'm prepared now, right? So now I'm prepared. So some of you guys may be like me in 2020 where you're going to start to notice things like purpose, right? Hey, you know, once we broke through a range, it just straight down to the next level. Yep, that's what you can expect during these high political, you know, economical situations going on, right? Is that you'll just get candles to drive. Notice how we did not stop, right? We just drove straight down to this range here. Straight down, broke through all the levels on the lower time frame, broke through this support, didn't even close below it, didn't even make a top wick, just straight down to the next level right here. And then this one looks straight down to the next level. No closures. Nothing, just absolute rally. So yeah, so prepare yourself for the next one. There'll be another one and another one and another one. And amen, brother. Amen, Stefan. Let's go. What's up, energy? Oh yeah, charts for stream. Yeah, let's take a look. My bad. I got so hyped up for Louis G. All right, let's take a look. So it is it's 7:20. What time is it? 7:38. So it's 20 minutes for the NY Open here. 21 minutes. So we'll chill out. We'll take a look at some charts for stream and see what we could learn here from everyone's trading. Oh, let me pop this up. Yes, I got you. Yeah. Jay Coop in the house. What up, Jay Coop? My bad, dude. Let me set y'all up real quick. All right, cool. Yo, no music must be hard, man. Sheesh, I don't know how the Zoomers did it for a year. I don't know how they did it. Okay, let's look at charts for stream here and see what we got going on. So this is, let's see what this is. This is gold 15-minute time frame. All right. So we had, yeah, this was low. 15 minutes, 718, 245 Eastern. Okay, very clean traffic to the left. Yup, right here. Entry candle made a top wick. All right, and then rejected Downside, price failed to flip. Oh, I'm sorry. Price failed to fill the wicks of the highs on the higher time frame. Entered on the break of the lows. Beautiful celery play. That was awesome. I really wanted that trade, and it was just gone without me. Yeah, that thing was gone. Straight down to support. Almost no hesitation. A little hesitation right around here, right? And then that was it. I think I did take the. I think I did take it down here though. Before placing the trade, I felt pretty confident, mostly with all the range there that was to the left for price to get down. I set an alert for my setup, executed when the time was right. Perfect. It was also a confidence booster that I had taken no trades for the day. After placing a trade, I feel like I got too anxious and entered too early. I think I could have waited for the celery play. Oh, okay, you got in before the celery. Right? Yeah, could have waited for the seller. This would have made it an A+ setup. Felt great waiting and catching this trade. Beautiful, man. Great job. Great job. And that's what we really talk about, taking A+ trades. You know, one of the key words here that maybe you guys overlooked because you're just trying to find out the details of the trade and the condition and the candle, and right, the biggest thing I see here was this. It was also a confidence booster, right? And this is why we talk about stacking wins on a day-to-day basis, because as a trader, you know, you want to be in that flow. You want to be in that feel-good state, that confident state every time you approach the desk. So if every single time that you take a trade, you want to hold for a 5R and keep getting stopped out, and your win rate is, you know, 20%, but you're still at break even. Yeah, but how confident are you? How much fun is that? How fun is it to lose, you know, 7 out of 10 trades, 8 out of 10 trades? I don't know, man. It just doesn't seem fun. And when you get to take these little wins and you get to kind of leave the desk with a W, it's a true confidence booster, right? And then being able to kind of walk in that all day, just walk in that feeling of, hey, I did my thing today, man. Like, you know, I wasn't that good a couple months ago, but I'm getting better. I'm winning. I'm feeling good, right? And you're excited to learn. You're excited to come back to the desk on a day-to-day basis. So big W for you, man. Big W for you. I'm not sure who this is, but congrats. Congratulations. All right, let's take a look here. 6:12 a.m. Mr. Tradeaholic. That's a Mr. Tradeaholic to you. Okay, 1 minute going bearish on overall time frame. Oh, 1 minute going bearish with overall time frame after hourly close below. Okay, retest trend should continue bearish. Okay, 1 minute comes up, retest area, and still holding. Yeah, he's still holding. I have to scale in here, still holding full on both, floating 80 pips in profit. W. Okay, first entry. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think that's where I got my entries. Some entries yesterday too. Nice, man. Clean traffic. Sell at the break of the previous hourly low. Okay. All right, let's go. He's scaling in, baby. Hey, you know what I really like about the future stuff too is you can scale in a lot easier. I like that, and then it kind of cost averages you in there. That's super cool. Super cool. All right, PM Magnifico is back here. So overall strong bearish trend, daily 4 hour. I was looking to take sells as well, but waited for the new resistance to form on the bigger time frame. Cool. 30-minute 1 hour. Once that was created, you can see that it closed right below support. Okay, I see it. Giving me an opportunity for the onion. Okay, lovely. 30-minute class doji. Entry was breaking the 30-minute doji candle lows. Okay, this guy, okay, I see it in the middle right there. TP1 was a 1 hour major support level. Beautiful, bro. Great job. Stop loss to BE and let the rest run 75 pip W. Good job, man. Way to go, PM Magnifico. Way to go. Great trade here. Let's see what else we got. We got 5 minute breakout. Also 15 and 30 closed below the range. Okay, I think this might have been... Yeah, this was awesome. A lot of you guys took this trade. This was Asian session too, right? Oh no, this was okay, this was pre-New York. Looks like yesterday's Asian sell. But yeah, nice trade. Nice trade. 5 closed below. You also had that celery play and push down. Am I tripping? This was sent at 7:30 a.m., but I feel like this was Asian session last night. TK is in the building. What up, TK? How you doing? What's the difference between NY Open and NYSE Open? So NY Open is really like the economy opening, and then the NYSE Open is going to be your New York Stock Exchange, right? So that's when like the markets will begin to open. So I think that's really the only difference. Maybe somebody else knows better. Glad to see others take the same trades. I know, me too, man. That's what I love to see. I really do love to see that. Yes, sir. No excuses. Oh, can someone... Oh, yeah. Welcome, Lucas. Can someone please... Wait. Yeah, the word onion is just supplement the word onion with support or resistance. So if I say I'm waiting for an onion to sell, I'm just waiting for this candle these candles to form some sort of resistance, right? And then once that resistance is formed, meaning once we have a bearish closure, just like Raja talks about, now I have a resistance, aka an onion. That's all it is. So just a silly little nickname. Yeah, so if I'm going to take a sell now, just like Raja would say, you know, stops will be above previous candle, right? Wait for the top wick. And this would be us taking an onion, pretty much. Is taking that sell off of that resistance. I'm sure new people come here and be like, yo, what are they talking? What? The what? YOLO Trader in the building. What up, YOLO Trader? What's good, Lights Fire? I'm doing fantastic, blessed and highly favored, man. I don't know, man. I couldn't ask for a better morning. Couldn't ask for a better morning. How about you, man? How you doing? Hey, how many of you guys are just grateful? You guys got freaking ears and eyes, and you guys got a nose that can smell, a tongue that can taste. You got hands that can pick things up, legs that can walk. I mean, how much more? How much longer are you gonna sit there like, like, yo, get grateful, get fired up. When you know, gratitude brings a lot of success, right? Gratitude alone brings a lot of success. So why don't you guys get fired up? Because, you know, you have so much bread in your boat to be sitting there, you know, thinking poor me, when is, you know, blah 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 blah, right? So let's get fired up, let's get grateful, man, so we can seize these opportunities in front of us. Let's go, Lights Fire. W, praise the Lord. Yeah, I mean, we got magic keys. I mean, come on, be grateful. What's good, AB Mike? Hey, you have magic keys and I don't, and I wish I did, so you gotta be grateful for that, man. So many little things in life. That last breath, wow. Without that, where would you be? Where would you be without that last breath in about 8 minutes? Thanks for the book, you're welcome. Grateful for Raja. I'm grateful for Raja calling me an idiot over and over again so that I wouldn't take stupid trades anymore. Let's go, PM Magnifico. What up, C. Melly? Good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning. Work with what you have. Yeah, because by the way, what you have is all you need. Believe it or not. What you have is all you need. Now you can make something and make more out of what you have, but what you currently have is all you truly need. Yeah, right. Raja setting people straight here. The Asian session trades, we already went over the Asian session trades. I would just maybe skip back. Maybe do I still have them up here? Yeah, so this was one of them. So it was a 5-minute fade based off high volume coming in. Also based off of the 15 and the 30-minute moving down further. Just to get that little pullback there and no top wick, entry on the break of the lows. And then the other one was right here, which this was a 30-minute celery play taken around right here. Okay. Idea was to fill the wick. We filled the wick, closed the partials, and then I was out of there. I think I closed full right here. 24, 25. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. No, just kidding. Yeah, it was a couple more pips after the wick. Not too many. This thing pushed down very nicely. Yeah, look at that. 24, 25, 250. All right, so we're going to consolidate here for a bit. We have about 9 minutes for the NY Open, and we'll see where we want to go. Welcome to 7-Eleven. Yeah, there's always someone going through worse, man. Yep, that's so true. So true. You don't want to trade your life for anyone's life. Trust me. Trust me. You just want to run your own race. You know, there's people that you may look up to and go, oh my God, I wish I had their lifestyle. But trust me, you wouldn't want their life. Right? If you can take someone else's problems over your own problems, most of the time you're just going to be like, you know what? I'll stick with my problems. That's all good. The soul's journey. You're on the soul's journey here, man. So just learn, and that's all. You could come to India and fool everyone? I don't know why you would say that. What are you talking about? Yeah, I'm coming to India, chat. I am coming to India. Seriously, at some point, I am making my way over to India. I got a lot of friends in India now. With the problem currently happening with Windows and the cyber attack, should we expect a lot of volatility? Probably, yeah. You're probably gonna get a lot of volume here today. You guys remember they talked about the black swan? You know, that may be a complete shutdown of the internet. So we'll see here, man. My friends, I'll be praying for you. Just know I'll be praying for y'all if we get capped on the internet for a couple days, or just to slow down the spread, which may turn into a year or two. India, here we come. Maybe I'll come to India during the Black Swamp. W God is good. What a name. What a username. Good to have you here. Really, really good to have you here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Don't act racist in India, though. I never act racist. In India, in America, in anywhere. I don't believe in racism. We're all brown. Every one of us. We're just light, different shades of brown. There's no white, there's no black, there's no yellow. No, all that stuff is matrix made up. Every one of us is just a pure soul. We're all some shade of brown. Woke up 140 ticks in profit. No, but oh snap! How you doing? Trump said, "You tested my DNA? It wasn't real DNA. It was USA." I was like, damn. Yo, this guy's a savage. He said they tested my DNA. And it wasn't even DNA. It was USA. I'm on cybersecurity stream happening because of one of the antivirus companies. Makes sense. See this? No fade, gang. There's no fade. That's all I was saying. I don't know what y'all are seeing, but I'm not seeing it. I just ain't seeing it. Trump came out to many men. No, I'm just kidding. The internet never fails. Yeah, 2410. Bye-bye. 2402 coming in hot. We're either going to close below here and leave a wick, and then 2402 is going to get tapped, or we're going to pull back, and either way, 2402 is going to get tapped. Whether we close below or not, it's getting tapped. Trump got shot with a BB gun. Word, dude. Trump got shot with like a pellet gun. Like, I never seen a bullet that small. Dude got popped with a hole puncher. You guys remember hole punchers in the paper? Looked like he got popped with a hole puncher. Hey, last night I learned something too. Hulk Hogan's first name is Tony. Wow. Thanks for ruining my entire childhood. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, Hulk Hogan's first name is Tony. Yo, Trump's a savage, yo. What 78-year-old dude you know is catching felonies, getting shot? My man got like 5 baby mama, but no drama. My guy's straight up. I don't know. They don't make him like this dude. They don't make him anymore like that. His name was Hulk. Oh, Terry. Terry his name was, right? Terry, I think it was. Tony, Terry. Either way, it's ruined my experience of Hulk Hogan. I always thought his name was legit Hulk Hogan. Do I think it's worth it to join as a beginner, the webinar? Absolutely. This is going to be very beginner friendly, and then it's going to speed you up to some advanced things, and you'll have the recording and all that. So I really want a lot of advanced traders to be there, right? Because we're going to talk some details. But if you're a new trader, I don't see how it would hurt, right? I can only see you understanding things more clear, and being more efficient and a lot quicker from the information that's going to be shared during that webinar. Trump spitting out bullets. What up, forex? Oh, I'm sorry. Futures Frank. Good morning, sir. They need a 30 for 30 on Trump's life. The Kid Rock intro, I think they could have maybe kept that one for maybe like, I don't know, a different time. Didn't seem like the crowd was that into it. I'm like, I don't know about the Kid Rock move, man. But what about Dana White coming up? Dana White pulling up with the intro. It's getting scary here, chat. If I take this sell, if we get a closure, I'm going to take a sell, but I'm going very low risk. Very low risk. I don't know, man. I was just looking at the reaction of the crowd, and didn't seem like it was their cup of tea. All right, so we have NY open here on our hands. Looks like you're gonna get a closure below the range over here on the 30-minute time frame. So we may have some opportunities here for sells. And let's see. Ain't no telling where gold can go here today. So gonna need a top wick, obviously, and then we may have some sells here. Yeah, going very low risk, very low, because we're now tapping into this level of support. There's still room to go here, but we are kind of approaching these levels now, so got to be careful here. Yeah, we got an hourly closure, so basing this off the hour time frame here, we definitely need a top wick before moving down though. Support at 08, I believe that's on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 30-minute time frame, which is, yeah, it's there. Yeah, I might have to wait for a pullback. It's pretty clean on the 1 hour, but we'll see. We'll see how things plan out here. Support at 08, yeah. Stop loss is massive. You can you could use current candle stops. You know, just go very low risk if you want to take this position, because it is a playbook position, right? It is a breakout. Wherever the top wick here is on this candle, just go super low if you want, and then take the trade. Either way, you're gonna need a top wick regardless. I think 815 might be a better vibe here for us, especially if we can move up, grab the pack here, and then close back below. Then you got a celery play. So we'll see. Maybe I'll just wait for that. Comics open, yep. We'll see. When I say lower risk, I mean both. You know, lower your risk, lower your size, and then also keep your stop. You can keep your stop tight. You know what I mean? Lower your risk. Let's say you normally risk 500. You can keep a tight stop at like 10, 12 pips, and then you got a 1-to-1, right? At 10 pips. But you could also get stopped out quicker. Either way, I needed a top wick. Why lower risk? Only because the 1 hour candles have been driving down for quite some time here. So, and the 4 hour candles are starting to approach this wicky area here. So that's the only reason I would say go low risk. But there's no top wick anyway. Yep, but we should blitz right down. Right down to 02. Yep, regardless of that support and all that. How come you've updated trades you took off stream? What do you mean? Goldie be like, Gold's like, nah. No top wick. What do you mean? How come we've updated the trades taken off stream? Yeah, man, this thing's gone. She's a goner. She's a goner. 36 pips. So had we had a top wick, I would have loved to trade this range here, man. I like that. Been in sell since last night. Yeah, sometimes you do have to take the low IQ, right? Just sell, right? Just once the market opens. Yeah, that was not a bad idea, especially with that convention going on last night, to just hold your sells. But yeah, we should come on down here. Let's see how far we go, and then we'll see what happens. The 4 hours just still pushing, so we'll see. Do we need a good top wick? I need a good top wick, yeah. Because without that, and throughout this whole time now, I'm thinking, well, we might come up and make the top wick. So I want things sometimes not because they are specifically needed so much technically, but they're needed so much for my own confidence and to build up my own edge, right? Because if I don't have a top wick here, the whole time I'm in this trade, I'm anxious, right? I wouldn't say nervous, but more so anxious, right? I'm getting aggressive. Should I close par? I'm always in the back of my mind thinking this is gonna come up and make a top wick, so I'll take what I can get, right? And I don't want to trade like that. I want to trade knowing that the boxes have been checked, the edge is there, and I can have peace of mind while I'm in my trade, waiting for things to play out, as I'm anticipating them. So that's the reason I need a top wick, not even necessarily because it won't drive. It's just because I need some confidence in the trade. I need some sort of an edge. I need to check the boxes for my system. F you, gold. In volatile times, can we ignore it? You can. I don't, but you can. But I wouldn't. Yeah, we should come down and we should fill this wick, which is the range here. Right here. Any chance the monthly flips? The monthly. Look at that weekly candle though now. Ha, that's crazy. Sheesh. Monthly flip? I don't know, but this weekly's flipping. The weekly's flipping. Breaking lows, just created a new low. Yep. We have no news today either. No news. Nothing. A Friday where the US dollar isn't. Oh yeah, we are 1040. We're in the headline, but we got no news though. Just a couple speeches. Notice how we blew right through that support that you guys were worried about, the 30-minute support here. Notice how it didn't have a chance, right? And that's because we had lots of volume coming in with NY open, where these things don't have a chance of surviving. Remember, we like to call that NY open the volume. What do we like to call it? Dynamite, right? We call it dynamite for a reason, and that's because I don't see us at 8 a.m. getting slown up right here when you get in a closure below the range after resistance. So we did tap into these lows down here. We'll see where we go from there. Because if we don't fill that wick right, then that's when we could begin to pull back. Pull back, pull back. Trading journal, just hit there it is. There's anybody who wants to use the journal that I use, this one right here, click the link that Nightbot just spit out and you can get the journal. Use it for yourself, man. I highly recommend tracking every one of your trades, journaling your trades, and making sure you're on track with what your goals are. Which wick? The one that is the bottom of that resistance. So it's right here on the 4 hour. This guy right here, which is also the 1 hour resistance. Yeah, this one right here. We'll see how the 1 hour candle closes though. So we got no top wick. Again, no top wick. I would be in this trade thinking, well, you know, we might come up and make a top wick here. So let's see what happens if we do that. Or if we just continue driving. Just press sell and walk away. That's right. I want to see something here. Yeah. If I would have just kept my sells from here and just held till today, we would have never came back towards B. Nope, the highest we came was right here. The only problem is I probably wouldn't have slept well last night. So I would have been thinking about it the whole time. Good morning, Alex. What's good? What's good? I traded the NASDAQ and US30. Yeah. This is a price action strategy. So it's not even my strategy. It's just a price action. Trading, reading candlesticks and trading the price action that's currently in front of us. So that's all it really is. So as long as you can understand how to read candles and understand how to read ranges, and when volume comes in on those pairs, then you can trade those pairs very well with this style. Price action. Yeah, the playbook will work really well as long as you're trading candlesticks, right? As long as you're using candlesticks as your data, then you can run this system. Yeah, and the reason I say that is because some people don't use candlesticks, right? Some people use like line charts or hollow candles. These are actually pretty cool. What else we got here? Step line. Some people trade with steps, so this system wouldn't work if you trade with steps. Because I don't know how we would do that. Line break. Interesting. Yeah, so as long as you're using candles, then that's how you can get a good read and use the system. Update on the tournament. You guys really want the update? Y'all playing like you don't care. TK, you want to give him the update? Stand by. I believe we have 5 matches left. So we're gonna run this back, and I want you guys to treat it a little bit more serious, man. Because in the first 3 days, almost 25 people breached their accounts. First 3 days. Not even 3 weeks. Like I was actually expecting the matches to last like a week. Yeah, like I was expecting you guys to like actually survive. So we'll see what happens, and then we'll run it back. All right, so we're pulling back now here. Pulling back, pulling back. Oh yeah, there's a lot. Things change, you know, when the pressure's on. Right? Things change. Can I join the tournament now? No, but once we run it back, and by the way, we learned a lot. So next time we'll make it way more organized. Good morning, King Kong. Yo, what up, Carlos? Yeah, if you guys didn't participate in it this time, participate next time. I want to see some traders trade. Y'all talk a good game about me. Yo, man, really crappy trade there, right? But then I see you guys blowing accounts like it's like the new trend. How you doing? That's awesome. Kara King. Nice, nice. Love it, man. Love it. What do I have going on this weekend? I'm gonna be playing some golf. I'm gonna be meeting with the elite members. All the elite members we're gonna be probably going to be getting together for an hour and a half or so, and going over some of the things that we're going to talk a little bit about in the webinar. And that should be fun. I think that's going to be Sunday. And some golf. And then I think we're just chilling. I think I have something to do with the family too. I forget what it is, but I think we're going out and doing something. Yeah, I think the next tournament too, we won't do 1 versus 1. We will do every player on his own. So we'll just do the top 32 and then boil it down. We may even put more in the running now, since we don't have to match them up. And so if we don't match you guys up and we just say, hey, the top 50 out of whatever, this past time it was 800 people, whatever it is, let's say it's 800 again, the top 50 can enter into the game, and then there's no 1 versus 1. It's just you versus you, and it's going to be your job to trade the best you can, and end up, I think what we'll do is we'll make cuts, you know what I mean, week by week. But really, you guys, I don't even have to make cuts because you guys are cutting yourself. Yeah, man. Free for everyone. Yeah, it's all free. It's free for everyone but me and Top One. So shout out to Top One, who's taking money out of their own pocket to do this, and me as well to reward some winners, which I have no problem doing. I'm actually very excited about doing that. But yeah, everything else is free for you guys. We just ask that you like and subscribe to the channel and share our content wherever you go. Yeah, I think if the only thing I would ask of you guys is to share some content. You know, that's it. Because the more we can get this community out to other traders, the better off I believe the trading industry will be. So that's all we ask in return, is just that, you know, from time to time, share some of the things that you learn here that made an impact on you. Yeah, if you guys haven't joined the boot camp, though, we're doing a webinar. It's going to be a 2-day webinar next week. Next weekend on the 27th, we're going to be talking strictly technical analysis. We're going to be talking a lot about how to read price. We're going to be really talking about some higher time frame, lower time frame stuff. That's going to be the bulk of what this webinar is going to entail. And the idea is to make trading as simple as I possibly can for you by looking at higher time frames, determining direction, going down to lower time frames, knowing what to look for, when to look for it, and being able to consistently generate good trades in the markets. All right, we'll hide him. Yeah, webinar is going to be off the charts. Off the charts. I promise. We will over-deliver. Breaching your account means basically blowing your account. So the only thing we did, the only risk factors we left on there was max daily drawdown and full drawdown. That's it. That's all. You guys just had to avoid that. What up, Rafi? Rafi. Oh, shout out to AB Mike's dad in the building. What a great dad. Raised a great son, and now that son is going to go on and champion through life, man. Your son owes you a couple dinners there, Dad. Where's Johnny? I don't know. Somewhere in New York. Shout out to Zoom. We lit. What up, Zoom? The real Don Data. Hey, from Albania. What's going on, my man? What's good? What's good? So let's see what happens with this 1 hour candle. 1 hour candle still got no top wick on it. 30 minutes, same deal. So let's see what happens. The consistency rule, that would be pretty good. Yeah, maybe what we'll do is we should lock them out of their accounts. So maybe we'll do like a 3% max daily soft breach or something like that, where you have to stop trading the account for the day. So that way you keep yourself in the game. Am I starting a prop firm? Nope. I'm starting a payment plan on a piece of property that's far away from anyone and everyone. I agree. I agree. You need to see a little bit of a further push down towards 02, 03 for me to be confident in like the fade here. What up, options? What's good? Yeah, prop firm. I'm trying to get off grid. J Coupe, man, I like that car. Is that yours? Ooh, look at that suit. Man, flexing. Okay. How long will I continue to stream? I know the farm is the goal. Yeah. So I'm gonna stream for a bit. So what I'm doing now though, like I have no plans of stopping the stream. So what I do have plans on though is moving into phase 2 of what I'm looking to do and basically build my future with extremely serious, successful, humble entrepreneur day traders. So I'm going to be basically reconstructing the elite program, and I'm trying to build out my inner circle in that, right? I'm trying to find guys and girls that have like-minded dreams and goals and aspirations when it comes to trading the markets and understanding the markets. And I'm looking to, you know, I realistically, to be honest, it's a sifting process, right? Because we start heavy and then we can kind of see, you know, there's an 80-20 rule in everything, right? So although I love every single one of all 1,000 of you guys, I know there's an 80-20 rule. And I know that only like 200-300 of you guys are really going to get this thing, really going to take advantage of it. You just got to make sure you're one of them, right? So it's really a sifting process to see who we can work with and who we can really bring into that inner circle, you know, and spend the future with. But streaming, I love streaming, man. It's mad fun. So I'll probably keep doing this for at least a couple of years. Couple years. Happy birthday, B Mike. Every day's his birthday. Yeah, I really want to make some sort of like accountability group, something where traders can come and know that you're with real deal people. You know, you're with real deal traders, guys and girls that are serious about it, and just kind of create this elite club where you can come in, you can leave, you can come out, you can stay in month to month. You can, I don't know, we're gonna figure it out, but we're gonna make it fun. We're gonna make it very educational and really kind of make a more tighter circle, you know, when it comes to like the elite. So nothing here, man. Just really pulling back. No top wick. 15 minute struggling a bit. 2 minutes left on the 15. So we'll see what happens here at 8:30. I'd love that. Hey, I'd love you to be a part of it, Lights Fire. Yeah, man. Looking to see who we can spend our life with, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, as corny as that sounds, who are going to be the ones that are going to be, you know, coming with me and hanging out, and you know, who's going to be renting big old lake mansions and bringing their families and getting together and, you know, having fun and hanging out on different occasions and different holidays and just making millions, you know, in the markets. That's where I see the future going. I don't know. I have a very big vision. Very big vision. For some reason, there's the one vision that always comes to my mind. It's, you know, me and 20 of you guys and your families, and we're just at the lake, and we just finished a incredible day at the lake of jet skiing, of water surfing and boats and hanging out, and we had this grand, beautiful carnivore-ish dinner. Lots of ribeyes, lots of New York strips, lots of lobster and the good stuff, you know what I mean? And just hanging out at the fire, you know, making a campfire and just chilling, man. Just chilling all night, laughing, crying, talking about the dream, talking about the struggle, talking about the victory. You know, it's nights like that that really make life worth living. And that's what I plan on doing, and creating an environment for families to come and, you know, have a good place to come hang out. You know, have our kids hang out with each other, and have the older kids run around with the younger kids, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, trust me. There will be zero crumble cookie there, I promise you that. There won't be any crumble. maybe we'll make a crumble room. Get a big 18 bedroom lake house. Oh man. You talk about love and peace and still cannot stop talking about eating dead animals. Okay, we'll all eat the grass. We'll all eat grass and we'll hang out, we'll sing Kumbaya and we'll pick dandelions out and we'll eat these poor plants. Come on, man. Grass needs love too. Yeah, we'll eat some grass. All right, so you've got a closure here. It's on the 15 minute. There's volume coming in, but my thing is here that there's still no top wick, right? No top wick on this candle. And we're very far down. We're about midway through this range here. Yeah, this is tough. Yeah, this is tough. I'm just gonna let it go. I mean, we already let it go, so there's really nothing too A+ about this. We're in the middle of the range. We've been moving down for quite some time. 1 hour is just calling for a pullback, so I do want sells, but I do want a pullback first. I usually let the animal eat the grass. I save it for him because I think it's so important that they eat the grass. I'll sacrifice the grass so that they can have it. And eat an animal. Yeah. Or we'll get a bunch of Beyond Burgers. So if you guys are vegan, that's all good. We'll get some Beyond Burgers. Yeah. So you guys can eat some burgers too. Yeah, man. If this top wick was here, this would have been a great trade here. Inner circle only for future elites? Not necessarily, but that is where stuff will go down. Yeah, we'll have a couple chefs, man. We'll get the vegetarian chef. Call it 25 pips, nice. Yeah, it wasn't bad. It's just this candle already had no top wick, and I don't know. Price just running down here. What do I think about Japanese? I don't think I've ever had that. I don't think I ever had it. The sifting's already begun. Yeah, sifting's already begun. All right, so we're coming down here, tapping into support now. Let's see where we go. Yeah, that would have, wow. Just gotta wait. The New York session this week has really been making us wait, huh? There hasn't really been too many really good setups during our time together outside of, I think there was that one buy position that we took, right? Other than that, it's been, I haven't been provided too many opportunities like the last couple weeks. Hey, let's go, Johnny. Nice, man. Made a bunch of money. Now time to go make some more money somewhere else. That sounds great. That is true. That is true. I am looking for gems to polish. I like the way you put that. It's not AB Mike's birthday, chat. Weekly flipped? Yeah, weekly's been flipped here, so we're starting to see that now, which is really good. But there's nothing. I've basically got my hands tied here, so there's nothing really I could do just yet. TK, how we feeling today? Where is John? Yeah, word. Where is John Stu? Coming to the lake house? Let's go. Yeah, there's a lot of nice lake. I love lake properties. I don't know about you guys. I love lake properties. Yeah, we'll also hit the golf course together, man. We have to get a property on a golf course. Yeah. So the men will go play some golf, and then the ladies will go shopping. You know what I mean? Ladies go shopping together, men go golfing together, and we have a good day. And then we come back, hang out. Go ladies, go to the Diamond District. Not the Diamond District. There's an Airbnb in New York on a private golf course. Ooh. What's up, Andrew? Good morning, bro. How are you? Prefer golf? Hey, the ladies can come golfing too. That's cool. Yeah, lake cribs are beautiful. Oh, how do you add a new setup type in the journal? You have to go over to the, I think it's setup type. So go over to it, drop down, and then just hit edit. And then this is going to pop up on the side. And then you can add it here. And then just hit done, and then it should save. I'm getting better at Excel these days. You got no budget, baby. No budget. You know what's cool? You go tell your wife. You say, honey, here's $6,000. You've got an hour to spend it. Whatever you don't spend, you have to give away. Boom. How many of y'all want to do that? I mean, maybe you don't want to do that right now because your own financial situation, but let's just pretend that it's not your financial situation isn't your real financial situation right now, right? Let's just pretend that there is no budget. Wouldn't you just love to spoil your girl like that? I'd love to spoil my girl like that. You got an hour. You'd be shocked how fast they could spend that. I'm like, wait, hold on. You spent 6 G's in an hour? Where? You actually did it? 4-hour rejections. Yep. Yeah, so I'm gonna sit tight here. There's a couple minutes left on the 4 hours, so we'll see what happens with this. That one Birkin bag, man. Damn. It's like that. What up, Sandman? That's funny. Yeah, you should start hanging out with that Nick guy a little bit more. Y'all hang out with me. Your wife will love when you hang out with me. You'll come back giving her compliments, telling her how nice her hair looks today. She'll be like, what has gotten into this man? That's a single Louis bag. Word. Annual. We got to make them. We got to make them quarterly golf trips, especially for those that are nearby in the U.S. Because once you have once you guys have enough, or once we all have enough money coming in, you can start to use it as a tool. And now a plane doesn't become a plane anymore; it just becomes like a time travel machine. So although you're in Arizona, you can get over to me in 5 hours, and by the time I'm done with some calls here today, we can hit the golf course today. Right, today. And then you could fly back home and be in bed with your spouse later. Sell, it will drop 150 pips before 10. All right, let me hit sell here. Hold on. All right, man, I did it. Dutch King Trader. I'm in. You better be right, bro. Microsoft has exploded. Yeah, I'm on the stream with you guys. I'm not sure what's happening right now, but keep me updated. I know there's a lot of stuff going on. Brother. Let's go. Brother Hulk Hogan, man. So 100, how many pips? 130. 150. Okay, that's not too far. I can see that happen. Where should I put my stops? Where should I put my stops for this one? I just want to make sure I can survive any sort of pullbacks or anything like that. Hello? Hello? Oh, it's CrowdStrike. Hello? Where's the stops going? Man, it's gone. Damn. Now what am I to do here with my cells? No stops. No stops. Damn. All right. I guess I'll just have no stops. We're waiting. Let us know. How are you? $150 is actually in sight, to be honest. Put your stops at all-time highs. Yo. What would you guys do if you guys see me? 150, right? Honestly, we'd never lose a trade. We might be stuck in trades for quite some times, but we'd never. I don't think we'd ever lose. 800 pip stops. That's light. Yeah, I don't think we'd ever actually lose. I mean, maybe we would because we probably have to close and draw down at some point. Yeah. New strategy. All right, stop loss your entire account, and let's hope for the best here. Let's sell at support. 800 pip stop. Should go down. Take stop loss profit. Man, only if that was the green side. Okay, so look, now we're tapping into this zone here, right? So we talked about O2 here getting hit. We just closed with no bottom wick too on this 15-minute candle. So I'm actually a little intrigued here. We got no bottom wick. We tapped into O2. I think if we re-break the lows here, I'm going to have a buy stop on the break of the highs. Yeah. Yeah, this doesn't look bad at all. Let's see if we could break the low. We should expect a pullback here on the 4 hour as well on this 15, so we'll see. Would like to break that low first. I don't have the account for that. Okay, cool. So we are breaking that low there. I'm going to have a buy stop on the break of this high. Stops are going to be... yeah, right around these areas here, below the lows there. It's going to be about like a 40 pip stop. Okay, cool. So we'll see if we could break the highs here and pull back on this last 15 of the 4 hour. Last 15 closed a no wick here. We tapped into O2, which is exactly what we wanted to see. And now we broke the lows, and now if we re-break that high, we should get a move up towards, you know, somewhere in these ranges here, like 08. Yeah, right back up to this zone here. So we'll see. We'll see. We might tap 2400. It could possibly happen. If that's the case, we may delete and then wait for the next open of the 4 hour candle, that 15-minute candle. Yeah, let's box this out. Let me put a line there where my stops are going to be sitting, so you guys know. Yeah, right around 2400, 2400, 710-ish, somewhere around there. Maybe a little lower if you like. Spotted the same trade before you said anything? Nice. Nice, nice. So this isn't a long-term buy here, right? This is the idea here is that if the 4 hour candle looks like this currently, which it does at 8:49, we would expect the last 15 to pull that candle back a little bit, right? To look something like this. And that move up is our buy, right? And then you'll also most likely get another move up. And then if you want, that's your runner, and then get out of there and, you know, regroup, and it'll probably keep coming down from there. see. So we have filled that wick. We've officially filled the wick there. What's up, Green? How you doing, brother? Let's see. New 4 hours. We'll need a top wick regardless. Yep, new 4 hour as well. Yeah, exactly. Where do I find the music? On you. I find the music on YouTube. YouTube. We've got a playlist. I think the playlist is in the Discord. TP around 2408? Yes, correct. Correct. So stops could be actually extremely tight if you want to use that low there. Right? So I would like to give it just a little bit of room to breathe, but if you want to use the current low after this candle breaks the high, then that's good too. The tube. Where's the music from? This music comes from the Time to Eat stream. You guys ever been to one? Yeah. Do I have a buy stop? I do have a buy stop. Yep. Yeah, if it gets to be like the 5 minutes or less, I'm gonna get rid of it and wait. Green, how you doing, bro? How you doing? Already in buys. Let's go. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. I like the... Alright, we should be getting activated here in a sec. Can we get activated? Almost, almost. John Stew is here. Good morning, John Stew. Morning. What's up? Did I get activated? Almost. Oh, Rafi's here too. Rafi, you chilling or you busy? Give me a yeah? Okay, cool. Alright, let's get John. Let's get Rafi. What up, boys? Has to unmute. Okay, cool.
Yo, what's poppin', brother?
What's good? What's good? How you doing?
Good morning, good morning.
How you guys
Morning,
feeling?
Patiently waiting here.
Patiently
How are you brothers
waiting.
doing?
Good,
Great, brother. How
You?
you doing?
Doing great, bro.
Feeling good.
Friday.
Yes, sir. Great day to be alive.
I know.
Lovely, lovely.
Beautiful
Yeah,
day.
great day to be alive.
Sir. See if we can fade here, eh?
Hey, maybe.
Morning, chat. What's poppin'? Happy Friday.
Let's see here. So yeah, break even's gonna be right around this area here. which I think is where'd my thing go? Where is it? Oh, it's over here behind these guys. Yeah, so that's probably gonna be actually that's gonna be more so like 40 pips. I think we've got about 11 pips there. So yeah, it's gonna be about a 40 pip advantage point right here. So that's where I'm gonna close some partials and then let it run up to like 2010. 5-minute close, 5 close strong bull here. So we'll see where we go.
Hey, as long as the 15 creates support, I think that's pretty important.
Yeah, definitely.
Was it good, chat? Lights fire.
It was
What's up, Zyper? Good, y'all.
BRB. Glad you guys are here.
Sir, what's good? Good chat. What's up, Daniel? Morning, energy. Yeah, Rafi, how's the week been? Good?
Man, it's been good. It's been good. Just doing a couple of things here and there, and yeah, just crazy, man. Like the week has been just flying by very quickly, very quickly.
For real, it has been.
Yeah, how about you?
Yeah, it's been good. Kind of a slow week here in the markets, but I've been having a great week.
I
I've
know.
only took 2 trades, 1 win, 1 DE this week, so kind of a slow week, but you know, we're working out that patient muscle.
Yeah, same here, bro. 1 loss and one break even this week, honestly.
Nice. All right, bet not bad at
Yeah.
all.
Yeah.
It shows that we're being
It's
very
just like-
patient. Slow market right now.
Yeah. I haven't been trading New York that much, and then during London, you know, I've been doing some other things. So yeah, it is what it
Gotcha.
is, man. You know, like, you're gonna take wins, you're gonna take
Sure.
losses, you're gonna take draws. You know, so
Exactly. And you're gonna have slow weeks as well. It all comes with the job, you know. You got to take
Right.
the good with the bad.
absolutely, it's part of the deal.
Yes, sir.
And I always, you know, like when I'm really busy, bro, like if there's a lot going on,
Hmm.
I still keep my eyes on, you know, on the price and everything, but I do not operate, because when you're busy, you see things differently. When you're focused, it's completely different. So if I know I have a busy day, bro, I already know that I'm not gonna do anything.
Facts, bro.
So I miss a lot of moves. But it is what it is, you know?
100%, bro. You gotta, you know yourself best. You know when to participate in the markets and when not to. I think that's the great thing about trading is we're our own boss. You know.
Yeah. That's happened to me before, you know? It's like you're busy and then you're in the middle of something and then you look and then like you're not truly, you know, like actually in sync.
Mhm.
And then you think that this is what it is, and then you miss the detail. You miss something in one of the time frames, or you know what I'm saying? So like it just happened a lot. So I'm like, yeah, nah, bro. If I'm not sitting, if I'm not in sync, I'm not doing anything.
Facts. Yeah, I agree with that, man.
I dig it.
That's like One Punch Man. He ain't taking any trades either. What's up, man? How you doing?
One punch.
Just chilling.
Well, it's normal, you know, like when you miss trades and then like you
100%.
see somebody else took a move or something, you see a bunch of people cashing out. It takes on your psychology. You start questioning yourself. You know, it's like, wow, why am I missing these things? Like, am I good enough? I'm like, no, bro, just play your game. You know, you missed it, you missed it. No big deal.
100%. Things come up in life sometimes too. You know, you might be moving or you're sick, your family's sick, so you just want to take some time off, and that's It's totally fine. It's better to take that time off when you're not in sync than to keep trading. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Take
Oh yeah.
forced trades
We've
and take
learned that.
unnecessary trades that you're not supposed to be. So, nothing wrong
Bro,
with that.
especially if you're moving, bro. Especially
Yeah.
if you're moving. That's the thing. If you're traveling across the world or traveling somewhere, and if you're moving, it is very, you need to be aware that, you know, if you take a loss, that's one of the reasons why. Because like I said, you know, if you're moving, bro, like your emotional state is moving. You know, you are going from your environment. Like that is very important for you to feel grounded. So,
Yeah.
hey, Nick, do you remember when you were moving from the house? Like it was kind of rough that month or something?
Yeah, man. That was
Yep,
rough.
exactly.
That was the
Yeah,
roughest
yeah,
month of the
That
year.
for example.
Yep. A lot of
Exactly.
distractions. There was like 5
He
trades I
also
shouldn't have even been in.
he was
Yeah.
moving, and he also
Yeah.
had a newborn. You know, so
Yep.
a lot of things going on in his personal life.
Yeah.
That's adversity, a lot of adjustments. Like, you know, it's like you need to take these things in consideration as well, you know?
It's true. And it's not
Yeah.
even like they were bad things. They were all great things that were happening, right, in my personal life, but they were so great that they were throwing me off a little bit at the desk. So, yeah, man. So sometimes even when really good things are happening, like just chill out. You know, it doesn't have to be bad things in life. It's just sometimes even when good things are going on where you're just a little distracted or, you know, focused on other things, just chill out. You know what I mean? Go low risk, or, you know, don't even take trades. Just enjoy the observation of the market.
Facts.
Yeah, we're in scary territory here, chat. This 4 hour may just want to rip. So we'll see what happens. Scary territory. It's getting spooky. I only risked 1% on this trade. So I hope you guys ain't over risking and doing all that. Yeah, we would expect the 4 hour to make a top wick here, right? So this 15 didn't close as strong as I'd like it. It still closed bullish with the previous one closing with no bottom wick. So I still like that. I do wish it would have closed a little bit stronger though. But all in all, the idea is still there. Oh, Dutch thinking trader, I'm still in the sell, bro. I'm just waiting for the stop loss. Yeah, you never gave me, you literally left me hanging here, bro. So can I please get the stop loss now? Now that you're back while price is pushing down instead of up. Price started pushing up, he started fading back, doing the Homer Simpson.
He was like, "What's the stop loss?"
He was like, now once it starts pushing down again, he's like, I told you, get in that cell. Yeah, I'm still waiting on the stop loss. So if you could hook me up with that, that'd be awesome.
We keep trying to break these highs right now.
100 pips down, I agree. But where's the stop loss? Why do I think price will go up? I think we'll get a nice small pullback, right? I don't think we're going up, right? I just think we're going to pull back up a little bit. And that for me is like 2 15-minute candles. So this one and the next one, we tap into that target up there, I'm out, right? Because then I'm assuming now we've got our 4 hour top wick. And now I'm going to flip my bias again and start looking for sells again. So I'm bearish. But for the next 15, 30 minutes, I'm looking to see if we can get the top wick, right? So I can really be bearish on the next move down on the 4 hour. Full margin, no stops? All right, all right. Man, pulled that Homer Simpson. Yeah, we'll see what happens here, though. All right, the idea is for the 4 hour to break the high and then, you know, continue to make a top wick before maybe coming back down. So we'll see if that works. It's worked plenty of times in the past. If it works today, awesome. If it doesn't, awesome. Yo, did you see the dollar flying last night? I actually did look at the dollar index last night. flying.
Damn.
Flying. Let's go look at it now. Yeah, that was look at that. Look at the dollar here, man. Sheesh. Very, very happy with what I heard yesterday in that convention, man. Looks like people are gaining some hope back in the dollar. You shall not go below 2,400.
Damn, gold.
Yeah, we gotta break that high. I'll short the pullback instead of the buys. Yeah, the best move here is to wait for the pullback and not take it and then short again later on, but we're gonna attempt the pullback here. Nice. Yeah, if you took 11 pips, that's good. Yeah, I think we got like what, 11 there? 17? Somewhere around there. All right, I think my stops got hit. Yeah, my stops got hit.
Yep.
So it looks like we just want to continue pushing down here. Continue pushing down. So no pullbacks for gold. Yet.
Oh man,
We'll see.
look at that thing. It's just like,
Hope
oh
you
my
win
God.
though. Don't
Facts.
hope I win. Just hope I stick to my plan. Yeah, my stops got hit. So we'll see if we want to keep coming further now. Just keep going. Am I in? Not anymore. I got out. I'm still in my cell, don't worry. 150 pips, no stops. All the 4 hours goes with no top. Yeah, they all move down without top wicks. Yep. Look at that. Very little to no top wicks. But now that you're coming into this range, that's where I'm expecting some sort of a pullback. And I'm still expecting that pullback, by the way. Just because we moved a couple pips doesn't mean much. Got out with 8 pips. Nice. Yeah, I like the idea. I'll pull the trigger on that idea again and again and again. We're just so bearish here. Gold to 0. Yo, that'd be nuts. Look at this. Look at the 4-hour time frame here, man. Sheesh. Wow.
You know, this is kind of like when you're a pitcher and you are on point, you're throwing everything great, and the guys are still hitting you. It's like, bro, I don't know what else to throw, bro. Like, they're hitting my slider, my breaking ball, my changeup, fastball, everything. That's those kind of days, you know. It's like,
Yeah.
exactly.
Can't find no.
Yeah, let's get rid of some of the lines here. Let's do a fresh analysis here too, just so we can kind of take a look. So daily's pushing down, right? We're pushing down way past these zones here now. So the idea is to maybe we close below here, and then next week we can continue down towards like 2357 here. So there is a support that we're approaching now on the 4-hour chart, another support, right? So we've just been demolishing through these supports. Notice how there wasn't one closure below. See that? No closure below, price still went down. Then we came down here. Yeah, this candle closed right at it. Price kept driving down. So now we're at this low, bottom area here. So we'll see what happens there. Let's take a look back at the 1 hour. 1 hour got support. Let's go take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute. Yeah, it's just honestly just moving down here. Just a straight bleeder. Yeah. The only thing I'm interested in now is just not the pullback, but the sell off the pullback, right? So if we can get some sort of new resistance here, just take sells. I don't think I'm going to take any more buys today. Yeah, I don't think we'll take any more buys here today. But good try. Good shot at that one. I like the idea. I think we'll do that again and again and again. That has worked for us about 47 times out of like 52 times. What time is that take? 9, right? Also, 9 a.m. is not my sweet spot. But that was taken at 8:45, no? Yeah. Right, we got activated before. Yeah. 7:19. That was fade current 15 minutes half, and let's go check it out. $55. It was like 50 pips. So 50 full. All right, cool. Oh, that's what happened here. All right, on to the next. On to the next. So really, I got nothing now. I got nothing right now. We got very, very clean range below 23.98 here. So there's more clean range to travel down. It just gets very tough taking sells down here. Yeah. Yeah, I think the setup was good still, right? The idea here, let's break it down, right? The idea was that we had support form, right? There was a support to the left right here, right? So this support was formed. You had this 15-minute candle here close with no bottom wick, right? So that 15 closed with no bottom. This one drove down, had a high, broke the lows, and we were expecting at 8:45, as you can see the time here, for this 4-hour candle to pull back a little bit, right? So as this candle broke its own high, that's where we entered into the fade. We went like maybe 15 pips in profit, came back down. As I mentioned, I didn't really like the size of that support, right? That was formed. It was still a support, but it was weak, right? A weaker candle. Being that I was only in this at 1%, I didn't care to manage it too much. As I was expecting this 15 to pull up as well, so that way the 4-hour time frame looked something like this, right? Bearish candle, and then a new open, and then that was going to be my exit, and then, you know, look for more sells. So that was the idea. I think I'd do that over and over again. If tomorrow was a trading day, I'd do that again tomorrow. I just blew my account. Damn. How'd you do that?
Full margin.
Was it one trade or like an accumulative total of trades? I think this would have been nice, this celery play here, but we were just very low and midway through that range. Rafi.
Let's go, Wags.
Full
Morning, bro.
L number 67 on the year. Oh no, is that the year? Yeah, 67 on the year. Oh, I'm sorry. That's 67 overall. 33rd on the year. So that's the 67th loss in 2 years. Damn. Okay, cool. And now we're in no man's land, so we'll see where we go. Melting down. Yeah, melting. Go in with low risk. Yeah, I went in with low risk. Yep. Yep, very low. I mentioned that too before I put the trade on. Update the stats. We just did. Everything's updated now. Yo, Elite Bali meetup.
Hey, let's go.
I wanted to get to Bali this summer, later on, early in the new year, but I have so much going on. It's hard to take that trip, man.
We'll get it next year, bro.
Yeah,
That's a reason why you couldn't make it this time.
Yeah, the time will be golden. Whenever it is, it'll be the right time.
Yep.
That's
timing is perfect, bro.
Yeah, smart, Sandman, smart, right? You have to understand, although those setups and those ideas are there, the conditions, I mean, look at the conditions. Look how heavy we are. It's not raining, it's pouring on gold right now. So at the same time as you would like to participate in the fade, you want to go low risk, right? Just in case, because you're battling those conditions of price beginning to move down. So that's why I just went 1%, and some of you guys went less than that, which is good. Yeah, now we may get it here. So we may have needed a different level here, which is now 97. So we'll see. GJ's calling me back? No. Computer blue screen before I could get a stop loss? Oh, damn. What's that mean? Like you couldn't see? Couldn't see the screen anymore? All right. 30 lots in, and whoops, the screen goes black. Damn. Hey, Rafi, how was that? Did you meet up with your boys? Was that last weekend or is that this weekend?
It was last weekend.
Nice, bro. How was it?
Yeah, it was really good, bro. Like, it's just really nice to hear so many of those guys, getting businesses together and, hear them, what's working and what's not, and how to improve things. And, it's really good, man, being surrounded by, by a group like that.
Yeah, it is. It is.
And also, it's like you talk about, mental health. You know what I'm saying? Like, men have a lot of issues that don't share because we've been programmed that men don't cry and you don't, look soft or whatever. But it's like when you get yourself in that environment, it's like it's safe, for you to share what you're going through, your emotions, and it's good, man. It's life changing.
No, I love that. That's what I'm trying to put together here with the Elite program. I think it's going to be a lovely environment where traders can, most traders have no one to talk to. Right? They just want someone to talk to at the end of the day as well. Like, it's a very lonely game out there. So to have a group of people where you could be open and honest with, and that's why if you see the mod channel or like even the Time to Eat Elite channel in Discord, you'll see like the transparency in there versus like the public stuff, right? There's more transparency. There's more people admitting their faults and mistakes and trying to learn and grow because they know it's a safe environment where people are going to encourage them and be able to give some input into, hey, this happened to me, and when it happened to me, I did that, and that's what we need at the end of the day. We need each other. A lot of people want to do it all solo, but iron surely does sharpen iron. Yeah,
bro. Yeah, you can't do it yourself, bro. Like, Because the thing is that people don't understand is like, we're all going through similar things, believe it or not. You might not see it, but bro, like we have like 26, 25 guys in the room. Out of all of us, I would say like 16 of us, 18 of us, we're going through similar things, you know? And it's like, it helps you psychologically and emotionally to understand that, bro, I'm not alone in this thing. We're here together, you know? It does wonders, bro. Like it literally changes everything.
100%, 100%. And you rise to that environment as well. You know, even like if you're having a down day and you link up with the crew, or even if it's on like Zoom, like you still will walk out of that session feeling a lot better in most cases than you did when you came in. So it's just an overall solid thing to do, like networking and being with a circle of like-minded people, man. Yeah,
it is very powerful, man.
Yeah, I'm always better when I go to some like my mentor's house and hang out with him and a few people. Like I am always, even if I was good going in, I'm better coming out, man. It's just, I don't know, there's something about the energy and the vibes and, you know, being around
you start
people.
Vibrating at that frequency. It is true. It is. Bro, like that's the thing that people don't understand, man. Like there are so many different ways for you to release trapped emotions, and one of them is by sharing what you're going through that is hurting you, that is making you feel a certain way. By you releasing that and having somebody say, I feel you, bro. I hear you. I'm
here for you, man.
That already is like taking that, you know, heavy backpack off your shoulders. It's like, whoa, I was not judged. You know what I'm saying? Like I was heard for the first time in my life, you know, kind of thing.
That's so true. So true. Iron sharpens iron, man. Especially even you can a lot of times get a lot of that out through like writing. You ever write? You could just write, get everything out. Once it's on paper, you can, you know, crumple it up and toss it away, but at least you get your emotions out. So if some of you guys don't have anyone to speak to right now or an ear to listen to, try writing. You know, just write all your emotions down, get them out of your system and onto some paper, and then you can do whatever you want, you know, get rid of the paper.
Just burn it. Let the ashes go somewhere. The universe will take care of the rest.
Let it go wherever it needs to go.
Yep.
By FIFA?
Hilarious.
Yeah, so I lost 1% here on that trade on this account today. The other account I'm trading, I'm up about almost $800 between last night and that trade just now. I closed partials on that one, but other than that, it's been a good day so far. I like how this one shows you like what you're up for the day, what your balance is like. I like this whole platform here, man. This thing is sick.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this one, I guess my partials is more towards like 15 pips. Am I trading futures too? This is futures. So what you guys see here is futures. And then I also have a bunch of couple combine accounts here on Top Step. And then I have a 200K account with a Top 1 trader. Yeah, see Melly, I really like it. It's very nice, man.
It's
Am I
sexy,
Italian? Nah, I'm American. Yeah, I think my mom is technically Italian, but it's not like she was born there. All right, you may get the fade happening here after this closure. Or not even a fade, more like a fake out for price to move up, but we'll see. We got NYSE coming up here, so 930 bringing us in. We'll see where 930 takes us. I don't think we have, let me get this out of the way. Do we have a top wick? We have very little top wick on this 30/1 hour/4 hour candle here, so may get interesting. Depending on how this candle closes, I may be interested in giving that a second shot. What futures platform am I using? I'm using this Tradeovate, which is just a regular like cash account that I have, just my own capital, and then I'm using Topstep X as the other platform, and then my forex account is on TradeLocker, and that one is that's with Top One Trader. Where can I learn about your strategy? You can come here, straight here. You can take a look at the rest of the videos that I have there on YouTube. I think the stream will give you a really good idea because this is, you know, us trading live. But yeah, that's where, or if you really want to get a deep dive into the strategy, join the webinar that we're doing. It's going to be like this master class here when it comes to technical analysis and candlesticks and time frames and ranges and how to read price action, how to read candlesticks, how to correlate time frame to time frame. We're going to be going through a lot. We're going to have all that recorded. I hope you guys bring your notebooks and you're prepared to learn. What up, Diogo? What happened to Microsoft? I have no idea. I'm not too sure. What up, Ecom Dre? What did happen to Microsoft? Do any of you guys know?
Nah, no idea. Oh,
let's Google. You guys, what happens if the internet goes down, gang? They might pull this on us. No lie. They may they may put the internet down. It would not surprise me. Huge out. Oh wow. Oof, I don't know if it's the best day to be taking trades in the markets. That's true, Davey P. That's true. First they try to hit him with the court and the felonies, and then they try to hit him with the bullets. We're going to Bali.
Internet's popping here, bro. It's good.
Yo,
yeah.
Bring your computer, go to a cafe and just get a smoothie bowl and you're gonna be good.
Bro, what would Bali do if the internet went out? I think everyone in Bali
like
makes
I
their
told
money
you.
off internet.
Yeah, literally. That one time we got that the fire, the whole block, bro, was without internet for a few hours, and like the whole shops, everything was cash only. That's crazy.
Sheesh.
wow. That is wild.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's scary, man, because there are a lot of like people that, you know, work online here. Like if the internet here stops, it's like I would say the whole island will collapse.
See, Melly said they'll be
Holy.
fine. They just got internet a few years ago. Yeah, but that's when their population started growing. No one lived there 3 years ago until they got the internet.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
80% of the population just moved there.
Yeah. Bro, they're just walking all the rice fields now, just building a
Oh,
bunch
I
of
bet. Yeah,
villas
it's
and
gold
stuff.
mine now.
It's,
Yeah.
yeah, it's crazy.
All right. So you got a 30 closure. We close below the range here. You've got clean traffic to the left. It's 9:30. This is interesting. This is interesting, man. So we still got that candle here that closed a no wick. This one closed very weak. The issue is we closed below. Right, so we close below. The signs for me are still kind of pointing up a bit, but it gets a bit challenging when we close below that support there, man. Yeah, it's honestly, it's not a pretty day. It really isn't. Not a good day to be trading unless you're just hitting sell and holding. Yeah, if we drive down here, I truly don't care, man. Yeah, let's see if you break that 15 high. This is where the fade may play out too. I definitely don't want to force any trades here, so. Yuck. Yeah, like Green said, man. Yeah, that is true. A lot of people get their info off the internet. Most people do. You got the weekly low there too, man.
Yeah, it's tough.
If it's tough, I don't want it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might call it a day and pack it up early here today, chat.
Yeah.
I don't even think I want to trade these markets.
Yeah, facts, bro. We're just straight bleeding.
Yeah. Yeah, I got nothing here. Nothing. Yeah, I think we did good this week, man. We did really good. No point in blowing profits here, trying to get our idea to work on gold. You know what I mean? I'm probably just gonna keep my professional hat on here and call it a day. I don't have any read on these markets right now. Nothing. Nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Facts.
Outside of closing your eyes and just selling. So I don't want to sell because look how far down we are. Right? I mean, just look at this. Just look at it. Right?
You look at that.
Just look at it.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's
So,
a few more blemishes on.
I can hear, if I take a loss on a sell, I can just hear Raja screaming at me, calling me the biggest idiot on planet Earth right now. So I don't want to sell. I don't really want to take a buy here. We already attempted the buys, so I don't like these markets. So if I don't like them, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just chill out and live life here until Monday. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's going to be the best plan for me.
I bet.
Yeah, they'll settle down on Monday. Yep. Yep. Gold Trader 7, you're such a hater. You are such a hater, bro. I just showed you a loss. It's not my fault I don't lose often. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? You've been hating all week, dude. Seriously, I don't know what's up your rear end, bro. No stream trade.
Man's a hater.
Yeah. Yeah, I just don't like the markets here. Yeah, it's not looking good here today. So yeah, I think we'll call it a day. Great week. Great week. We took a lot of good trades. Took the fade a few times as well. That worked out well, but I don't want to really try the fade here over and over again. It just wouldn't make sense, right? To keep doing that. We're already up in profits. Why like diminish them profits? You know what I mean? Over the course of the next hour or two, trying to get gold to do something that we wanted to do, right? It just doesn't make sense. We don't want to fight that beast. So I'm going to stay away. I'm going to let things settle down over the weekend. And yeah, we'll come back on Monday. We'll come back on Monday and continue our domination. And I'm sure Gold Trader 7 will be here to learn and take all the winning trades. But I'm sure if we take a loss, they're going to be quaking a little bit. So we'll see you, Gold Trader 7. I hope you have a great weekend. And everybody else, John, Rafi, appreciate you guys, man.
Yes, sir, bro. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Don't
pulling
forget
up.
to sign up for the masterclass so you don't quake next time.
Yeah,
Sign up so you learn something.
Yes,
Thanks.
sir.
But hey, boys, I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll catch you guys later.
Okay, brother. Sounds
All
good.
right,
Rafi,
guys.
thanks
Well,
for pulling
thank
up.
you so much
Thanks, Jack.
thank you so much for having me. Chat, love y'all. Hey, if you go to the Discord, I posted a free PDF there. Just go out there, give it a read. Hopefully, a sentence
Ooh.
can change everything.
Oh,
how
nice.
you see everything. So,
That's fire.
yep. So
That's
just go
fire.
there, download it, read it, process it, think about it this weekend. Come back stronger next week.
Thanks
Love
for that,
y'all.
bro. Appreciate that, man.
Nick, big hugs. I'll see you, brother. No problem.
Later, brother.
See ya.
Have a great weekend, all right?
Yeah, later. You too.
All right, chat.
Yeah, you
Love
too.
y'all. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm out of here. Great week. We'll let the markets settle down here on this lovely Friday. We'll come back on Monday and we'll continue to do our thing. So, love y'all. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Blessings to you and your family. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Peace. Later, chat. Love y'all. I'm out. Peace.
Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who've been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems. But God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life, I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come for my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go. Hopping on stage, I ain't in it for the show. Only got one life, so I gotta let him know. Talk about real. I seen a man's whole bad hill. I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the cast it out. I seen my brother throw his whole vape in the lake. Seen smooth heal from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start. Christopher.
K to the second letter. Who got the keys to the Jeep and the Hiller? They ain't never been realer. I am not shook, I'm a line chiller. My face blue steel, I ain't never been stiller. Ooh, KB ain't gotta get bigger. Ooh, Southside sing killers, bring light to the dark spots. Wake up, I didn't make up this God, the divine concealer. On the bread of heavens like the red and black 11s, walking through the pearly gates. Popping through the most, I'm in the Holy Ghost. I'm looking like the Pope swerving raves. They gon' get the word today. I send a text back, never curved the fate. Jesus, curses break. Slaves get freed and the words awake. Ever seen a dope dealer? Cold killer, gold brother crying on the floor with us. Cause your hoe hit him, had a hole in him, now you got a hole in it. Tell him the dead see here. We the new Israel, Israel. God really lives here. Watch the sin here. Way more than 10, we begin here. We begin here. I put my hand on the Bible, the Lord is my witness that KB is closer than blood. I got that HGA tatted right next to my heart, so you know it's gonna always be love. Don't need no contracts or labels, you know we got him a seat at my table. Hovey little bro, so I'm willing and able. I keep some riders at home in the stable. Whoa, 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 I done told it all, but I still got more. Remember when the folks got killed next door? Partner told me sell pills, not blow. Shorty told me my career won't blow. Swear I don't care about the status. Why would I clout chase when God is my daddy? Take all my records, my money, my Grammys, I'm still gonna die richer than you can imagine. Jesus the king, I'm his prophet. Send me to Nineveh, I get it poppin'. They see an interview, swear I ain't with it. I say come see what I do in my city. From cooling with Kendrick to walking through Romans with people in prison. Let me stop talking, cause man, I've been did it. Can't let my left hand know my right position. Y'all just gonna have to see when I transition. I can't tell it all, man. Let's go.
I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spent in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work, yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm
down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack and the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put them back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. From the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where
I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up.
Get back to the business, I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it, yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. Till the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seek in the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it, yeah. Walk, 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 walk. Let's go. Walk, 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 walk. We walk.
100.
Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes-Benz. Whoa, yeah, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in. Okay, drop a song and pop up on your phone like I was YouTube. Connected to the fans without a hand, I did it Bluetooth. The only time I come up short is when they watching YouTube. Spinning with the drill, no wonder why my screws loose. Taking off and I can't stop, I beat them all by landslide. Houdini, I popped out of that box even with hands tied. Big dog like Sandlot, but it's real life, no fantasize. Counting money a damn lie, my hands clean, no sanitize. Whoa, had to switch up on the flow, gotta keep them on their toes. I move quick, I make the most, why they copy what I wrote. Follow everything I post, never trip about a clone. Cause they know what's a sheep to a goat. Yeah. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes-Benz. Whoa, hey, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in.
I wake up, I come on. I wake up, I come on. I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah, I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low. Sort of vision. Told me I was too young, too calm in this game, but I ain't vision. Something different, yeah, they turned me down. Told me I was tripped, now we planning trips and plotting on the mission. And because my age, man, it's been division. But to pay the way, man, it's my decision. Never been forced, honestly, it's sick, and now they making claims. They be so insane, talking about our chains, but I've been this way. They said your dream's too big, now take a look at what I did. I'm about to take over the game, no questions, boy, that's it. I wake up and swear to God. Stressing every night, I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah, I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low. I know they hate, I pay them no attention. They tryna imitate me, but I should probably mention there's only one other kid could care less about what you did or what you doing. Honestly, it's too concentrated on my biz. I don't got time for the games. Don't pay no mind to these lames. I'm in my own separate lane. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm gonna put in all this work. I seen how far I can get. See all the hate, it don't work. We got the plan. I wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing every night. I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah, I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low.
Me have to take this time, I'm pondering about this kind of love. The walk will see for the sun, then you want us to see the sunrise. Every time I'm around, on my way to do shows. Wasn't like this before, I once used to be broke. Someone hooked me for truth. Walking new levels on God, pushing to the limit cause I'm never gone for. Steady prayer, come music, put me on time. I can start swing when I wanna shake with the word. Times and times every day in my heart. Got down, but I still be going in hard. Check distraction, stick on one side. Heaven is the goal, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, hold the sense of life. That's when He does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread His love for all to step into His life. He reversed the logic of living first to die.
saved my soul from getting defeated. Saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. So this life I'm living is blessed. And you know that the wages of sinning is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Cause the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest. So man, I won't let the enemy rest.